Hello everyone, this is Rick Darlington. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your files engines like the app data, device settings, context, messages, and the call history, as well as some larger files like the photos, videos, and some documents like the Word document, Excel, PDF, etc. So there are so many times where we just need to back up data engine in case you lose some valuable information in the future. So let's just get to the point. In this video tutorial, I will just introduce 3 ways to back up files on your engine file, including the Google account, the Gmail, as well as the Google Photos and the Google Drive apps. So first of all, let's just use the common solution to back up files on your engine by tapping the sentence on your home screen. Please note, this may vary on different engine files, so you could check your phone model and see how to back up the files through the Google account. For example, I use the Techno phone. Now, to back up the data, just tap the sentence on your home screen. After that, you will just need to choose the sister. Here, I just choose the backup. Now, I already backed the data with my Google account, this Gmail. And anyway, you could just end the account, and there, just remember to check the backup to Google Drive, which means the data where on your engine file, including the app data, text messages, device settings, history, context, and something more, be backed automatically into your Google Drive. Later, I will also show you how to check the backups in the Google Drive apps. So, apart from that, you could just also back up the data manually by just clicking the backup now, which may take some time, especially if there are so many large files on your engine file. If you hope to back up some photos and videos, then you could choose the Google Photos just here. But maybe this could depend on different engine files. If you do not find this Google Photos option here, you could just download Google Photos app. I will later on show you how to. Now here you could just find the backup and say just check this option, and there, if you hope to back up the device folders, you could just choose all of these folders on your engine file. But this is very important because note, at the moment, if you just want to back up the high quality photos and videos, Google will provide you free unlimited storage. It means you could back up everything on your engine file. You could back up the photos and videos without any size limitation. But if you choose the original option, then you only get 15 GB storage to use. After exceeding that, you have to upgrade, but that will just cost you money. But unfortunately, I just want to remind you that starting from the 1st of June 2021, Google will stop providing free unlimited storage service. So that is very bad news. But anyway, you could still back up your files on your engines with this solution. So here you could choose the high quality, because the high quality, when you choose high quality, the photos and the videos that are backed actually look the same as the original photos and the videos. Here, choose the photos and the videos. So that is very simple about how you could back up the app data, device settings, and some photos, videos on your Android phone. So this is the first solution. You could also just download the Google Photos app on your Android phone. Not just after that, you could open this app on your Android phone. You could just choose the settings and then choose the backup and save. So this is the same page you just saw when I introduced the first solution. So very simple. It's the same page. And these are the photos I just took yesterday, so they are backed automatically into my Google account. For example, I just open this picture. You can see although it's the high quality photo, it looks exactly like the original photo, right? So it's very cool. So that is very easy about how to back up with the Google Photos. But the question is that maybe you also just want to back up some large files like some Word document, PPT, or some PDF files in the sector. So you could use the Google Drive app. Just download the Google Drive app from the Google Play Store. After that, you will check the settings. Here you just choose the backup and resend. Just the backup to Google Drive and Google account, and so that is very simple. If you want to back up some large files, just tap this button and upload some files from your Android phone. For example, here you could choose the images or some music or some videos as well as some documents. So with the Google Drive apps, you could back up everything on your Android phone, which is very cool. But the better news is that with the Google Drive, it only provides you 50 free storage. After using the 50 storage, you have to upgrade to get more storage. So just to check, as you can say, if you want to upgrade the storage, it will cost you $1.99 for 100G, or $9.9 for 1 TB storage G every month. So you could consider whether it's worthwhile to upgrade the storage, particularly when the Google just announced starting from June 1st, 2021, Google Photos will stop providing the free unlimited storage feature. So that is very bad news, right? So, and these are some solutions I just choose about how to back up files on your Android. Anyway, you could also use some other solutions to back up the files on Android. For example, you could use the USB cable to back up the files from Android to your computer, to Windows or Mac. You could also use the external devices like the some USB and SD card, as well as the external devices to back up the files. You could even use the third-party backup, the software like the Phone backup, which could also help you back up everything on your Android phone safely. So if you have some more questions, you could just leave a comment. Feel free to let me know.